Ramzan is a time where you really just connect with yourself. Mentally, I think as soon as Chandrat comes, which is when you see the moon and you get to know that okay, that marks the beginning of Ramadan. I think as soon as you see the Chand, it just your mind is just automatically like okay, it's Ramzan time. Like you mentally prepare yourself so that your body is prepared for what's to come. My mom's up by 4 and she starts preparing food for Suhoor at 4, and I wake up at 4:30. I get up, I get dressed, and then I set the table, and then we have the Suhoor food, and then around 5 o'clock I think the buzzer goes off. It sounds like a challenge. It's like sometimes a game challenge when I say buzzer, but it's like a beep from the mosque to notify that it's time. So I think you can go 1 minute over the buzzer, but that's about it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن
का जो हम लोगों ने किया था, लाइक स्टार्टिंग में 12 से 15 हुआ था 2 दिन में, तो जो था हम लोगों ने आपस में इकट्ठा करके किया था। बट जैसे ही हमारा काउंट बढ़ते गया 4th डे से, तो एकदम 50, 100 ऐसा जैसा ही होता गया, तो बस टीम भी बढ़ते गई हमारी। देखिए फूड पैकेट्स पैक होने के बाद लेके जाके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना, जो पीजीज में रहते हैं उन लोगों को, या हॉस्पिटल्स में रहते हैं, या फुटपाथ पे जो रहते हैं, लोग प्रोवाइड करने की अलग अलग टीम थी।
أشهد أن محمد رسول
मगरिब की नमाज़ 6 बजे या 6:30 में इस तरह हम लोग अदा करते हैं। तो उस वक्त जैसे ही मौज़िन साहब हमारे अज़ान देते हैं, अज़ान देने के बाद हम लोग इफ्तारी करते हैं। भूखा ही नहीं रहना, बल्कि पूरे नमाज का एहतमाम करना है।
So as a kid, for us, Ramadan was all about, just fasting and waking up in the morning and eating. Not doing anything during the day. Just, it was very strictly told to us by our grandmothers that, you should not even swallow your saliva. Now we have evolved and we have come to understand that it's more about the religious aspect, which is giving up our desires because we have to please Allah in the end.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
तो मेन मोटिव जो है यही है रमज़ान का, सब्र, फिक्र और इबादत। अभी देखो यहाँ पैकिंग हो रही है खाने की, मतलब दूसरों की फिक्र करते हैं हम लोग। और जो लोग भूखे रहते हैं ना, उनका दर्द भी हम लोग फील करते हैं कि वो लोग जो भूखे रहते हैं, जिसको खाना नहीं मिलता, उनकी हालत क्या होती है, वो हमको फील होता है रमज़ान में। ठीक है, और जो है हम लोग फिक्र करके हमसे जितना हो सकता है हम दूसरों की हेल्प करते हैं रमज़ान में।
I like to do iftar and I like मोहब्बत का शरबत.
Yeah.
And that samosas and
No offense to anybody, I think Muslims make the best biryani. Biryani also brings us together every Friday.
Bangalore has been my second home. Each and every Ramzan, I come and visit for 2-3 days, maybe it's 7 or 6 days. I just come and visit and just have over the vibe over here, which is not in Chennai.
পয়সার ব্যাপার আছে, ভালো মতো খেতে ইচ্ছে করে কিন্তু পয়সা না থাকলে কি করে হবে? যে যেরকম যার যেরকম ইনকাম সে সেরকম এর পাই আর কি।
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين.
Ramzan in particular, we have one extra prayer, which is the Taraweeh prayer. Ramzan, it's 30 days long, right? Ramzan, and there are exactly 30 paras in the Quran. So during this Taraweeh prayer, they try to cover one para each day. It's a really long prayer. It goes on for like at least an hour.
That we need to understand the pain of the people who are like very financially low, and we help the people, and by helping the people they feel that kind of joy and excitement. Through that we also feel happy about it. So it's all about the equality, to feel the pain and to even celebrate the festival with each and every person who is available, right? So that is the main purpose of the Ramzan over here.
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا